For all your roofing and paving requirements, call the experts at Right Choice Roofing and Driveways Limited today. As a family-run business with over 25 years' experience in the roofing and building industry, we have built up an enviable reputation for providing a first-class service to customers throughout Nottingham and the surrounding areas. Our professional, directly employed team are on hand to help with any project, no matter how big or small. Our services include new flat and pitched roofs, repairs to existing roofs, chimney stack repairs, as well as soffits, fascias and guttering. Alongside roofing, we also offer a number of additional home improvement services. These include general building work such as patio and driveway restoration, garden design and general landscaping. All of our work is fully guaranteed and fully insured, and we offer a no-obligation quote for any work you require. We are here to help you. For a free quotation or just some friendly advice, call Right Choice Roofing and Driveways Limited.